This is Form 4, Chapter 3, System of Equations. And for students who wish to focus on this chapter to pass only, please think twice. 想好好哦。Now, Chapter 3 is either will come out in Paper 1 or Paper 2. Either one only. 其中一个罢了。Okay? Unless you're very lucky, then you get 2 questions. But so far, it never happened before. But SPM, anything also can happen. So 不要 spot 题目啊。回来这个，这是 Form 4 Chapter 3啊。Here, one has a set of 10 identical rectangle cards. 它有 identical rectangle cards for a children's game. These cards can be arranged as shown in the diagram below. You don't scare when you see the word cards because you think that it's a permutation. For those who are in Form 5, you should know this a permutation combination. You will see the word cards. 它不是哈，它是 simultaneous equation only. It is given that the perimeter is 81 cm and the area is 17.5 cm squared. Find the length and the width of a card. So you are not given any unknown. Let me name it. Let's name the length X and name the width Y. Okay, but of course cannot like this, huh? Cannot like this, huh? Let X is equals to length of the card and Y will be equals to the width of a card. Perimeter equals to 80. You go up. How many X? 几个 X 啊？ You calculate 啊 I highlight, you calculate, okay? 啊，不用 highlight 1, 2, 3. Perimeter 是外面啊。4, 5, 6. Am I right? No. This part and this part plus up 1, 7, 8. 再一次 perimeter, you need to take everything. 一个 1.5, 1.5. Because the cuts are identical, 它的 size 是一样的。So 这一边有 1.5, 1.5, 0.5, 0.5. After that, 1, 1, 1. 打横了哈。1.5, 1.5, 0.5, 0.5, 1. When you sums up everything horizontally, you get 8x. Plus, how many y are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8y. Finish? No, teacher here got 9, 10. Excuse me. 10y. Equals to 81. After that, the perimeter is, the area is equals to 17.5. Area, the length multiplied by the width. right? The length multiplied by the width. X multiplied by y. X multiplied by y equals to 17.5. So these two are the equation that you need to write out for calculation. Okay, after that, I need to check. You are given 1 mark and 1 mark. After that, 在这一边, let's say I let y equals to 17.5 over x. You can do like me or any other method. This is equation 1. And this is equation 2. When you sub equation 2 into equation 1, when you start to apply substitution, because this one is one linear, one non-linear, 8x plus 10y equals to 81. This one got over x, right? Everything multiplied by x. Everything you need to multiply by x. 8x squared plus, 这个 x will disappear because I multiply by the denominator already. 我把它的分母乘掉了。And when I arrange it nicely, 8x squared minus 81x plus 175 is equals to 0. And you please use your later. You factorize and see can or not. 7 and 25 over 8. 25 over 8. Usually your calculator will give you the bigger number first. 8x minus 25. Another one will be x minus 7 equals to 0. With the x 25 over 8. Or x is equals to 7. Okay? Next, you need to find out your y. Because I always copy, but it depends on you. 看你要不要把它抄下来。From equation 2, when x is equals to 25 over 8, y is equals to 17.5 over 25 over 8. I get 28 over 5. After that, when x is equals to 7, y is equals to 17.5 over 7. Y is equals to 5 over 2. We are not done yet. We are not done yet. 还没有完呢哈。From the calculation, I should get something like this. Now, you are able to form 两个 equation, you get 2 marks. When you do this, you get 1 mark. Where is your 4th and 5th mark? This is your 4th mark. You need to do a conclusion. 还没有好比啥，还没有完呢。When x is equals to 25 over 8, y is equals to 28 over 5. When x is equals to 7, y is equals to 5 over 2. You write like this, you will get the 4th mark. But for this part, you should get 5 marks. 为什么? You check on the diagram again. You check on the diagram. The answer is at the diagram there. From the diagram, the length is longer than the width. 大长长比宽大 correct? The length is bigger than the width. You check these two and see. You check these two and see. 25 over 8 is 3.125. This is 5.6. This will be rejected. This will be rejected. This is the 4th one. This is the 4th mark. And let's make a conclusion. Why? Length is equal to 7 cm. The width is equals to 5 over 2 cm. Of course, it will be better if you explain why it is rejected. Okay? It will be better if you explain why it is rejected. 这个哈 I write in navy color for you. In the diagram, length should be bigger than the width. The length should be bigger than the width. So it's got part only 5 marks. The question, the total marks for this question is 8 marks. Where is another 3 marks? 另外3分在哪里？Go back B. But it's the application. This is why I tell students who just wish to pass by focusing on this chapter to think twice. 想清楚，看你真的要这样子做吗？ Look at part B. One wants to make another 10 identical cards. Anyhow, why my screen is not moving? Cannot already. He wants to make another 10 identical cards. Is it possible for one to cut exactly 10 cards from a piece of cardboard measuring 17 multiplied by 11 cm? This is the question. You want to say it is difficult, it is not. But if you don't understand what the question wants, then you susah. 它的意思是 I have one big cup. Rectangular one. With the measurement. Okay, not first. This one you will confuse. Let's do the easy one first. The length and the width first. Like this. Okay? 这一边17. Here 11. I want to put in 10 cuts. Now my small cut is like this. From part A, I know that my small cut is 7 and 2.5. 7 and 2.5. Can I substitute back everything in? Can I? 我放得进吗？哎呦 what happened? This is 2.5. Okay? 2.5. And let's look at the width. This is 2.5. And the big one is 11. When you take 11 cm divided by 2.5, what you get? 11 cm multiplied by 2.5. I get 4.4. Which means approximately 4 cuts. For the length, 17 cm, the whole paper, but just now I calculate the small one is 7 cm. I get 2.428 something. 2.429, which means I can only put in 2 cuts only. Okay, so 在这一边 I can only cut. I use purple color, my friend. I use purple color. I cut 17 cm first. 我切17 cm 啊。So 7 cm, I cut. 7 cm, I cut. Then 7 cm, 7 cm. So this one will be, this one cannot use. For the width, I can put in 4. 我可以放4个。1, 2, 3, 4. 4 是10吗？ So here extra 1 cm. Extra 1 cm cannot use. 不能用了的。这个卡，这个我必须要丢掉的。So from here, how many cuts? I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 我这边有8张卡。However, there are still some left over here. Don't waste lah. The right hand side still got left over. This part. Can I cut a cut like this? Come on leh. !aiyo! I draw something about. I'm so sorry for the line. 7, 7, and then I have extra 3, right? But I can cut it like this with 7 cm here and 2.5 cm here. So this will be my knife cut. This is my knife cut. And for this method, I can only have 9 cuts. I can only produce 9 cuts. Only can obtain 9 cuts. So now I change another method. Instead of make it landscape, let's make it portrait. Okay, make it straight. 我就把它放直直 and try and see whether I can get more cuts or not, whether I can get 10 cuts or not. If I draw like this, I change 11 and 17. You don't tell me, teacher, we cut like this. If you cut like this, then it will be exactly the same as the first one. Now I can only cut it horizontally. Okay, 我只能把它切这样罢了。Now, how are we going to cut? 11, 11 cm 我最多只能切一个7 cm. So I cut like this. I cut like this. 7 cm. And then this is 4 cm left. Out of 17 cm, how many 2.5 cm I can divide? 17 cm divided by 2.5 cm. I get 6.8 cm. 6.8 pieces, which means I maximum can get 6 pieces. Because 0.8 pieces is useless. 我不要0.8张，我要1张。Okay? I can only cut 6 pieces. I'm very sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six multiplied by 2.5, 15. So here will be 2 cm left. Okay, this one 2 cm cannot use already lah, because my minimum is 2.5 cm. Okay, from here, this is 17, correct? And I got 4 cm. So which means I can measure 2.5 cm from the right, and I cut like this. And I will have 2 pieces. This will be my 7 and 8. So how many cuts I can obtain? I can obtain 8 cuts only. So sorry. Later only I move. So first method, I can obtain 9 cuts. Second method, I can obtain 8 cuts. Can one obtain 10 cuts? No. So your final answer? 1 cannot obtain 10 cuts from 17 cm multiplied by 11 cm cardboard. Think of it. Really want to focus on this only? Okay, 2 minutes for you to digest and drink some water.